Every great road starts with one thing: solid compaction. Not guesses, not shortcuts, real pressure, real control. This is the TYPHON Fury 10 Mini Road Roller. With a 1-ton operating weight, the Fury 10 hits the sweet spot, heavy enough to compact deeply. A 13.5 HP Briggs Stratton gasoline engine delivers reliable power with excellent fuel efficiency. Powered by a strong hydraulic drive and an advanced vibration system, the Fury 10 delivers 35 kilonewtons of excitation force at a high 75 Hz frequency with a 0.5 mm amplitude. One key vibration activation with an electromagnetic clutch keeps control simple and precise. Electronically controlled pressure spray system. Operating speed from 0 to 8 km/h gives the operator total control, hydraulically actuated articulated rear steering, and a tight to 100 mm turning radius. Its 700 mm drums and 530 mm diameter ensure even compaction across every pass. Overall width of just 860 mm and a compact 1,100 mm length, the Fury 10 moves easily through tight spaces. 5.5 L fuel tank and a fuel consumption rate of 300 grams per kilowatt-hour. 30% climbing ability keeps the Fury 10 confident and controlled, even where other machines hesitate.